Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to deposit money in Binance using your debit card. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now going back, first up, go ahead and open up Binance. Now once you're in here, just go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on assets. Okay, now in here, you're going to want to tap on add funds. Okay, tap on it. Now tap on buy with USD. Okay, buy with USD, buy with PHP, depending on where you live. Okay, just tap on it. Now in here, you're going to want to select the specific crypto that you wanted to buy or token. So you can see here, we have a ton of options. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and buy some USDT like so. Now enter the amount from here, maybe the minimum right here, which is $15 US. Okay, now once that's done, as you can see here, you have the option pay with. Tap on it. And depending on your region, you'll be able to see a different payment options in here. As you can see, I have card, Visa and MasterCard. You would like to choose this option. Also, you have Wise. Okay, if you have a Wise account, AirTM and Skrill. Now, if you want to top up your fiat wallet, you can go ahead and tap on deposit right here. And you should be able to see a bank transfer option as well and Google Pay. All right, just select one option basically. Let's say I'm going to use card, Visa or MasterCard. I'm going to hit on confirm right here. Now just tap on add new card. Okay, tap on it. Enter your card number as your first name, last name will be automatic. The expiration date and CVV or CVC. Now billing address, postal code, country, and once done, hit on confirm. Then in the next page, just follow simple prompts. It will just ask you the confirmation if you really wanted to buy the specific token. And once done, in no time, you should receive your deposited money. Okay, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.